channel. It's me again, your favorite homegirl, Any Glamour, and I'm back with another video. Except this time I am still complaining about how I spent my 75,000 naira on a product that you can never believe. Now let's face it, 75,000 naira is the salary of a graduate here currently in Nigeria. And then I just save up those money and boom, I use it and buy a pot, a cooking pot for 75,000 naira. And I don't know if this pot is worth 75,000 naira because I never went to look for correct information about this pot. So I thought I just like the pot. And to crown it all, some of my friends are really hitting on me, saying, Annie, what is wrong with you? Why did you go and buy a pot for 75,000 naira when you have a lot of things to do with money? And the problem is that they don't really know how much I've been wanting to own this pot, how much I've liked this pot, and I desire to have this pot. So they don't really know. You know, people have different reasons of buying things. They have different motives, different reasons why they buy things. So why are they hitting on me? Why are they like, it's not their money, for goodness sake, it's not their money. So it's my money. So I decided to use my 75,000 to buy a cooking pot. So why would that be a problem to someone? But the truth is, you have not seen the pot yet, so I am going to show you that pot so that you can be the judge of it, if it's worth 75,000 naira or not. So let's get going. Ta-da! So let's go get the pot. Can you imagine? Let's see. Can you see that? Okay. Let's see what is inside those packs. Oh my goodness. Can you imagine that? Yeah. Let's see. Wow, this is beautiful. Let's get to see this up. Wow, can you see it inside? I love it. What is this? What is this? So how many is inside this box? What is this? What is this? My goodness, I love this box. Let's go get those frying yam. This is for frying yam, right? I don't know. This is for soup. Yeah. And what? This is for dodo. Oh my goodness. This is for dodo. Yeah. Ooh, what is this? I don't know what this is. Just getting it for the first time, so I really don't know what they use this for. Ooh. But I'm so going to cook. is for my Indomie Peru. Yeah. And this. Ooh, this is so lovely. Wow. So this one we use this one, and that's this one. Okay. So I put it like this. Wow. That's this. So how many pieces do we have here? I'm going to count it so that let's see if it's worth my 75,000 naira. Let's see if it's worth. Yeah, this is the biggest one here. This is the biggest one. One. Let's see here. This is the second biggest one. Two. This is the fry pan. Wow, it's so heavy. So heavy. Ooh. Three. This is number 3. Let's see. That is number 3. This is number 4. This is number 5. Yeah. Number 5. This number 6. This is number 6. This number 7. Eight. 9. 10, 11, 12. It's just 12 pieces and they told me it's 24 pieces, so I don't know what makes it to be 24 pieces. Maybe it's the cover. The cover makes it 24 pieces. I don't know. Wow. 12 is there. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. Let's see. Finish. So what makes it 24? Because if you look at this They said it's 24 pieces. 24 pieces. 24. Yeah. 24, and I don't know why my 24 is upside down, but you can see it's 24. So maybe they cheated me or something like that. Yeah. So guys, this is what I bought for my 75,000 naira. I don't know if it's worth it, but the reason behind why I buy this pot for 75,000 naira is because I love the pot, and although it's my 2 month salary, so I just gather them and buy a pot for 75,000 naira. So it's left for you guys to decide if you can buy this kind of pot for 75,000. Is it worth it, or did I just wasted my money? For me, I didn't waste my money because I love this pot.
Yeah, I'm ready for